one, Chihuahua. Everybody knows I don't like dogs, but this one I'm very excited about. May piyo. Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Diyosa and this is Diyosa Live TV. And today we're unpacking this one. Yes, it's a dog on the packaging. I'm not very fond of dogs, but this one I'm very excited about. Yes! It's a bit smaller than the usual packages that I get or buy or receive. But in a while, you're all gonna understand why this is smaller than the usual. Would you believe there's an entire full face kit inside? Bongga, diba? So, ayan. This is from Chihuahua Cosmetics. So, their site is Chihuahua is Love. Ayan. Nakakatawa. May laman pa yung card ko. I'm not sure kung paano ko sila nahanap, but they also have on Instagram, Chihuahua, yeah, Chihuahua_Cosmetics. Konti pa lang yung followers nila, guys. I think I posted on the Project Vanity group chat kung ano yung mga local brands that I should try. Kasi nga, for 2018, I want to try a lot of local brands. So, if napapansin nyo, most of my posts or most of my videos are local brands. It's just something that I wanted to try. Because for the longest time, I have always been using BYS, L'Oreal, and Maybelline. And this time, I want to spend my money on local brands naman. So, ito, I decided to try this out because I really love their concept. So, may nag-post lang and then tinignan ko yung Instagram nila. I heard that they have a kiosk in if I'm not mistaken, guys, EASTWOOD, and they opened somewhere din. Nakalimutan ko, nakita ko yung post nila bago lang. Hanapin natin. Ayan, sa Market BGC. Yan yung latest nila na store. So, it says here in their Instagram, it's the first mini-sized cosmetic. It's cruelty-free and it's paraben-free, and they also offer delivery via online orders. Ang gulo ko. Anyway, ayan. So, this one is the Effortless kit. So, let's open. It's called the Effortless Beauty Kit. So, you get to choose your foundation powder, you get to choose your blush, and you also get to choose your lipstick. And then, it also comes with a free kabuki brush, free pouch, and free shipping. But I think the free shipping is only for Metro Manila. What else pa ba? It comes with an eyeliner and an eyebrow pencil. So, ayan. So, let's see. Ayan. So, it says here available only in Metro Manila. But I think it's available only in Metro Manila. Yung free delivery. Pero ako, I'm from Davao. So, nabili ko siya. So, ayan. The Effortless kit. I think I'm just gonna insert the photo. But I want to show you on the site. So, the Effortless kit is only 949 pesos. Tapos, ayan, you get to choose your foundation, your powder foundation, screen cap natin, guys, your blush, and your lipstick. So, ang maganda doon, konti lang yung choices niya. So, I'm not sure if it's positive or negative. Ako, I like na konti lang yung options niya kasi hindi ako nalilito. Let's start with the foundation. Yung foundation, meron siyang two options. You have light medium and natural medium. Since I'm a bit fair-skinned, I chose light medium. So, ito siya. Yan. So, ayan. Light medium yung powder foundation ko. That's why it's called Chihuahua, guys. Kasi nga, lahat sila travel size lang. So, this is good for me kasi I like trying different stuff, gano'n. And medyo overpacker ako pag nagta-travel. So, ang plan ko actually, on my next travel, na short trip lang, ito lang yung dadalhin ko na makeup and siguro overnight, gano'n. And let's see kung talagang mag-work ba siya. It says here, may SPF 15 siya. Ayan. And the shade is also there. So, it's light medium. Ito na naman ako. Nahirap yan. So, alam nyo, ang ganda. Elegant ng packaging niya, guys. It's just matte gray. Ang liit niya. So, it's 3.6 grams only. Ayan. So, it's light medium. So, may tayo mag-swatch, guys. Lahat. Buksan muna natin lahat. And then, you have the blush, which is in sunset shade. And then, for the blush, you have Dito ako sa blush medyo nahirapan eh kasi I was not sure. A lot of shades work on me. Almost any shade pwede sa skin tone ko. So minsan nahirapan ako. So but the options are Sunset, Dusty Pink, Salmon, and Apple Crisp. But this one I chose yung Sunset. Ayan. Sunset. So ang cute ng ano niya packaging, Chihuahua kasi maliit yung mga Chihuahua na dogs, diba? Ayan. So, the blush is in Sunset shade. 296 yung nakalagay. 3.6 grams din. So, they're both 3.6 grams. Pero, I appreciate na magkaiba yung packaging nila para pag bubunutin mo siya from your bag, hindi ka malilito which one is the blush and which one is the powder foundation. Ang ganda talaga ng packaging. I'm in love with the packaging. So, ito siya. May konting shimmer siya, guys. So far, I'm impressed. Hindi ko pa yan natatry. And then, for the lippy, I got cinnamon. Yung sa lippy naman, they have a lot of options. They have cherry pop, cookie dough, cinnamon, cotton candy, cocoa, Penelope, Stella, and Marilyn. So, meron sila kasing two kinds of lippy. Merong matte, and then merong glossy. So, I got cinnamon for the kit. Ayan siya, cinnamon. Sorry guys kung mabaliktad ko ah. And then, I also got another one. Ito, Penelope. Ayan. Penelope. Kasi, gusto ko makita yung difference ng matte at saka ng glossy. Tignan ko yung exact name ha, para hindi kayo malito. Kasi baka umorder kayo, tas bakit iba yung sinabi ni Ria. Ganon. So, ayan. Sa lips pala, they have matte and cream. Ayan. Ayan. Matte and cream. Let's open a cream lipstick in shade Penelope. Alam nyo, packaging pa lang, panalo ka na dito guys. Like, super nice. Ayan o. Oh. So, tignan nyo naman. So, diba, if you have two, it's really helpful kasi same yung packaging nila, but the label is there, even the name. Yung iba kasi number lang. May number to, may name pa. So, this is cream in Penelope. Again, I chose this. Yung isa light, yung isa dark. Yung cream ko yung dark. Kasi marami na akong matte na dark. Ayan. Ganda, diba? I think ito yung medyo may hint ng purple. Alam nyo naman, purple ang favorite ko. And then, this is the matte lipstick in shade Cinnamon. Ayan. Tapos, ayan, yung ibang brands tamad maglagay ng shade name and number. Pero ito, meron talaga, Cinnamon. Yan, buksan natin. Ito yung, alam nyo, ito yung palagi kong problema pag nag-unboxing ako. Kasi nasisira ko siya. So, ayan. Ito naman, wala kang option, but it also, kasama na to siya sa kit. Eyebrow Pencil in the shade Natural Brown. Ayaw mo mag-focus. So, natural brown. Ayan, focus na siya. Natural brown. Mag-focus ka naman. Cooperate ka naman. Alam nyo, naninibago kasi yung iPhone ko, ang bilis niya mag-focus. Ayan. Oh no! Nasira ako. Anyway, ayan. So, sina-sharpen. Dapat kailangan na-sharpen. Oh my god, I'm so embarrassed. Alam niyo ba, bigla akong pinawisan ng sobrang dami. It also comes with an eyeliner. So, this one naman is in black, obviously. Kasi black naman usually eyeliner ng mga tao. Ayan. Hindi na ako, I won't make the same mistake again. Tanggalin ko. So, ayan. Black. Chihuahua. Ang cute, no? Tignan nyo. So, ayan. So, kunyari nasa bag to sila lahat. So, madali ko na siyang madi-differentiate saan yung brown, saan yung black. Wala siyang eye makeup. In their lineup of products, wala din talagang eye makeup. And I think wala din talagang mascara. Let's see. So, for the eyes, they only have eyebrow pencil and eyeliner. I think naman kung maparaan ka, pwede na rin yun for the, the lids, the eyeshadows, para makita nyo. And then, ito yung free kabuki brush na. Nasira na yung packaging, guys. Ayan. So, I guess you can use this both for the powder foundation and the blush on, if I'm not mistaken. Ayan. Ang liit niya lang. I'm very fond actually of mga small kabuki brushes kasi very easy nga to bring. Soft ba siya? Ay, medyo dense siya, guys. Wait, natatakot ako baka mabura niya yung makeup ko ngayon. Maganda siya, I think, for depositing products and for, I'm not sure lang kung okay siya for blending. Feeling ko pag retouch ko nito, pero okay siya kasi sobrang dense niya. Sobrang dense niya talaga. Ang liit niya. Ang cute. Super small. So, ayan. And then this one is the pouch. So, pag nilagay ko sila lahat dito, I think hindi sila magkakasya with the packaging, but outside of the packaging, pwede. Kasya, pwede silang pagkasyahin. Even the kabuki brush. So, ayan na siya, guys. Ayan. I think even the extra lippy that I ordered, kakasya. Ooh, amazing. Amazing. Ayan. So, ayan na sila. Ang liit niya, diba? Like, if tiyan nyo, compare ko sa face. Liit lang siya. So, ayan na guys. This is one of the most exciting parts of the videos that I do. Let's swatch everything. This is the foundation. SPF 15 foundation powder in light medium. So, this one is 239 pesos. So far, okay siya. So, dito. So it blends with my skin well. Halos hindi nyo man makikita, guys. So, ito yon dito. Medyo yellowish siya. Ulitin natin. Ayan. So, I think mas makikita nyo pag dito sa finger. Ayan. Kasi pag nandito na magbe-blend na siya agad sa skin. Ayan. I think it shows up a bit naman. One of these days, I'm gonna try to do a look na ito lang lahat yung gagamitin ko. Confident House. Let's see! Exciting. Ayan. And happy ako kasi may mirror siya. Yan. I really love pag may mga mirror, especially since travel size to. I don't have to bring an extra item anymore. Siguro, kung meron naman ako marirequest dito, alam niyo naman, highlighter is life. Bahala na walang pa-contour, walang eye makeup, basta may highlighter, guys. So, ayan. Ito naman the blush. Let's try the blush. This is in shade Sunset 296. Ayan. Medyo pinkish siya, guys. It shows up naman. Ayan. And then, of course, let's try the two lippies. So, this one is the matte cinnamon. Yung cinnamon. So, cinnamon. Medyo sheer siya. Okay. Siguro 2 or 3 applications before it showed up on my skin. Pero gusto ko yung shade. It's very wearable. Pwedeng pang araw-araw. And the texture is also okay naman. And then, let's try the cream, Penelope. Ito, Penelope. Again, 3 swipes. So, ayan. So, on top is the Sunset Blush. This is the matte cinnamon. And then, cream Penelope lippy. Let's swatch the eyebrow, natural brown. Again, guys, ito yon, natural brown. Nag-glide siya, ha? And one swipe lang. Ayan, one swipe lang siya, guys. Lumabas na siya agad. So, I think, kaya lang kasi pointed siya. So, I know a lot of people nahihirapan pag pointed yung tip pang eyebrow. Pero ako, okay lang naman. Same struggle. Lol. And then, the black is the eyeliner. Ayan. So, I think same text. Guys! Guys! Look at that. Look at that. Yan. Tignan nyo how black the liner is. Look at that. And it's only 129 pesos. Again, guys, these two, the two liners, alam nyo, impressed ako sa natural brown. Akala ko super vivid na siya. Pero yung black talaga, guys. 129 each lang. 129 each. Yan. Kaya lang, tag-isang shade lang yung available. So, hindi rin tayo pwede mag-order. Pero ayan, I think this will work well for traveling. So, the foundation is 239 each. And then, the blushes are 259 each. Mas expensive siya, of course, kasi there's colorants. And then, for the lippies, pareho silang 139 pesos each. Pareho yung matte and yung cream, 139. And then, for the mga pencil, it's 129 each. But the Effortless kit with the powder, the blush, the two pencils, the kabuki, free kabuki, and then the free pouch, and free delivery within Metro Manila, it's only 949. Siguro if I were to suggest something, highlighter and then mascara. A lot of people can't live without mascara. And then maybe one contour powder or something na siguro contour na pwedeng contour and highlighter na pwede ding for the eyes. Maybe something like that. But as it is, this one is very satisfactory for me. One of these days, I'm gonna try a look na ito lang yung gagamitin ko, no liquid foundation whatsoever. We'll see kung maganda ba yung result. Again, guys, if you want to order, just go to chihuahuaislove.com. I won't say yet that I highly recommend this. But if you're on a budget or you travel a lot and you want a kit na super easy lang to use, madali i-pack, and hindi mahirap gamitin, I think this one is super sulit for the price. So, again, guys, it's only 949. Face powder, blush on, one lippy. Although, dalawa yung nandito sa akin yan kasi nag-order ako ng extra. So, either matte or cream, and then eyebrow liner, eyebrow pencil, I mean. And then eyeliner. Yes, eyeliner. Ayan, kabuki brush. And then, of course, it comes with a pouch. So, ayan, kasya sila lahat. Kahit na may extra ako. And then, maybe one more brush, siguro for the blush, ganun. And then, pwede pa nga maglagay ng, I think, eye brush or eyeshadow brush, eyelid brush, whatever you call it. And one small eyeshadow palette. And of course, syempre, maybe, I think, kasya pa dito ang highlighter, guys. So, ayan. So, pwede mo na siyang dalahin for your travels. I've noticed wala pa yatang nagvo-vlog about this. So, I'm gonna try to do a look. And pag successful naman yung look, I'm gonna try to do a demo. I can't say it's a tutorial. Kasi, I can't say that I'm reliable na magbigay ng tutorial or credible na magbigay ng tutorial. But you never know, guys. So, again, guys, thank you for watching. Please visit my blog, josalife.com. Follow me on social media. And I hope that you read the description box below kasi all the details will be there, including the look that I'm wearing right now. And please subscribe to my channel, of course. Click on the notification bell button because I have lots of content coming up and a few giveaways. And then, do leave me a comment down below if there's a brand that you want to be reviewed or you want to be swatched, whatever you want me to try out. Kasi nga, I'm very open to trying out new brands, especially local brands here in the Philippines. No? What else do I have to say? So, bat na yung camera ko, guys. Push natin to. Watch more of my vlogs. Again, guys, thank you for watching. Bye!